me, it's being able to just speak my truth when I'm talking to my coworkers.
You can be who you are. You can say what you want to say at times.
It's amazing to work for a company that really wants you to be yourself.
I just be me.
It's not always that you can just walk down the street and, hold hands with your wife or, your partner. But when I'm at work, I feel like I can, come in on Monday and talk about what my wife and I did this past weekend.
You get to use your strengths, you get to use your unique talents, but you also get to do your hair how you like it.
They just really give me the autonomy to go ahead and be myself and to express myself.
It's just always so much fun. Everyone's really happy and very supportive. We're a family.
You talk to your family each and every day. Anytime you see your family, you wouldn't just walk by in a hallway and not say nothing to them. Maybe I'll take a few minutes just to kind of check on you and see if there's anything that I can do to be able to make your day a little bit better.
We're so many steps ahead when it comes to diversity and inclusion, and that's something that I'm super passionate about.
If we're anything, we're diverse.
We have so many people that come from all over the world, speak so many languages.
And the coworkers love the fact that they can, again, be themselves when they come to work.
We accept everyone. We accept everyone's opinions.
And you're allowed to bring forth your past experience, which will be very different from someone who sits next to you, but you're all working for the same result for your customer.
If you're bringing all these people in with different mindsets and different viewpoints, then you really have a wide spectrum to be able to kind of see that advantage that gives a company.
I'm Alex, and I'm IKEA Unique.
My name is Aronde.
My name is Paul.
I'm Priscilla.
Jamie.
Ashton.
And I'm IKEA Unique.
I'm IKEA Unique.
I am IKEA Unique.